Good morning, you guys. We're just waking up. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm assuming that we missed breakfast at the resort. Probably just ended at 11 or sometimes 10:30. Don't even know. Because I think they start serving lunch at 12, so they're probably doing that now. But I don't want no lunch. So I just woke up. She's still sleeping. Oh my god, you guys. I think we slept so long, obviously, because we went out last night. But we were still tired from, that was literally our first day here. So, guys, so, like I said, there's 30 minutes until breakfast ends. So I literally ran out the room because I'm like, no, I want breakfast. Everybody's up and ready. Everyone has their swimsuits on. And I'm in pajamas. We had too much fun last night. But I'm glad I'm getting some breakfast. So that's going to put me in a better mood. And then later today, we are going to do some rafting. So that ends at 4. So I guess we're going to be there 1.
Yo, Shaggy. Yo, Cogs.
What happens when you come to breakfast 30 minutes before it closes? There's nothing left. But I was able to get some sausage, some toast, and some hash browns, and the cook is still here. So he was able to make me an omelet, and I wanted him to make one for my friend as well, just in case she wants some. So hers is on the oven now. I think she said she wanted some cereal, so I'll grab her some of that as well. Alright, you guys, so we are headed to some excursions today. Hey, Ty. We just met him at the resort. He's cool or whatever. But yes, we are going to Martha Bray River Rafting. That's in Plymouth, Jamaica. So we're headed there now. We're gonna go to the bar, get some drinks. Eve is looking like a queen. And our friend Tyler. All right, y'all. Peace.
Family. Yeah, I know this. I me say family. Sure. If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer. Family. I me say family. Sure. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth one of them. Real kill it dead to the end, dead from me start. Me real better them. Cause them no know when we a buy 3 sardine and the 1 pound of rice from shop. And them no know when we a get chased by cops and the mac and the handgun job. And all the woman make it now. No struggle feel.
Alright, you guys, so we are about to do river rafting. Fine us. And then our friend Anthony that we met on the plane. He's from here. Guys, we are on the ride.
Having a great time.
We are. The view is pretty cool. It's beautiful. It's relaxing.
Yeah.
You know me, I'm vlogging.
know who fucking real now. Make them trick me and kill me. No way, you must see blood glamour. Life are the greatest thing that. Me no left go, now me no left my God. Can't trick me and kill me. No way, you must see blood glamour. Life are the greatest thing that. Me no left go, now me no left my God. And me energy them want thief. When me see it clear, say them a mangoes. Them know say that you and a friend. Me no play like rhythm and blues. Man loyal, too loyal. Someone with his sink off like Port Royal. Informer want judge of me pan trial. Them days that me don't just no boy nor girl. Me no know if heaven is real.
Let's see with the premium package. Oh wow.
The fish one will be like smooth.
Some boy I nothing a clean. Them no want see a next youth living in. They live evil and demon. Them can't stop me in Nigeria Island. Anytime me a drive on my van, big fat matic in a me right hand. Now make them turn off a guan. Oh, it turn off a guan. Them say them real, but me know them not real. Me realize turn off a guan. Yeah, turn off a guan. Oh, it turn off a guan. Them say them real, and me life them a steal. Turn off a guan. Nah, make them trick me and kill me. No way, you must see blood glamour. Life are the greatest thing that me no left go, nah me no left my God. Can't trick me and kill me. No way, you must see blood glamour. Life are the greatest thing that me no left go, nah me no left my God. Me and kill me. No way, you must see blood glamour. Yeah. No way, you must see blood glamour. Family.
Guys, we made it back to the hotel. Safe and sound, alive and all. Sometimes these excursions can be like far away from your resort, and you have to like, you know, we don't know where we're going. Hello. And you know, you never know like where they're taking you, but we're safe, so that's all that matters. Hey y'all, so we made it back to the resort or whatever. As you could tell, I messed up. Hey guys, so we are back to the room. We had got some lunch, and then we get back, took a shower. Now we're just relaxing, going through some of the pictures that we took. About to post those on the ground, so make sure you follow us. And yeah, so we're gonna relax, probably take a nap, and then get ready for dinner, and then, you know, find something to do tonight. Period.
It's Charlie. My girl, come flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make your bumper flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. You ready? Girl, wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wine.
It's what, probably 4 o'clock in the morning. 3:30 in the morning. You hear the crickets. We're the only ones out. But tonight was fun. We went to the strip club. Now we are headed back to the room, and then we're probably not gonna wake up until 12 o'clock again. But tomorrow's our like chill day, so we're gonna just spend time at the resort, you know, activities at the pool and stuff, take some pictures, and then Tuesday we're gonna go to Duns Rivers Falls. So now that'll be our last day. So far it's been lit, and we've been turning up. So. Hey y'all, so we made it back to the hotel. Our taxi driver has been clutch every night. Every time we're ready to go, we're like, where's Kevin? Where's Kevin? And then he just like pops up. And he's like, awesome. What you eating?
Talk about old pork chops and mashed potatoes.
Yes, we're eating some food that we had got from dinner because we knew that they were gonna be closed when we came back. So I'm eating a Jamaican patty. It's still good. Yeah, we're lit. Once again, tomorrow is a chill day, so that's good. We can sleep in, get some rest, because I'm pretty sure Duns Rivers is going to take a lot of our energy. We have to climb up waterfalls. But yeah, you guys, I'm about to take off my makeup and go to sleep, okay? Period.